Is your Carrier Durafresh AC refusing to turn on? Don't sweat it. This video will guide you through common causes and simple fixes you can try yourself. We'll cover everything from basic checks to component issues, with a focus on solutions applicable as of April 2026. Knowing this will save you time and money and potentially avoid a costly service call. Let's get into it. First, ensure your AC is getting power. Check the circuit breaker for your AC unit, which is usually a 240 volts breaker, and reset it if tripped. Next, verify your thermostat settings. Make sure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the room temperature. For smart thermostats like the Carrier Infinity Control, a simple restart via the Carrier app might resolve software glitches causing startup issues. A frequent cause of AC startup failures, especially in units manufactured before 2023, is a failing capacitor. This component helps start the compressor motor. If it's weak or dead, the AC won't start. While testing a capacitor requires a multimeter and some electrical knowledge, visual signs like bulging or leaking indicate a problem. If you're comfortable and familiar with electrical work, replacing the capacitor is a potential DIY fix, but always disconnect power first. Modern Carrier Durafresh ACs often display error codes on the thermostat or control panel. These codes appear when the system detects an issue. Consult your unit's manual or the Carrier website to decipher these codes. They can point to specific issues, such as a faulty sensor or a communication problem. Addressing the error code directly can often resolve the startup problem without further troubleshooting. If you've checked the power supply, thermostat, and capacitor, and your Carrier Durafresh AC still won't start, the issue may involve the compressor or refrigerant levels. These components require professional expertise for diagnosis and repair. Refrigerant levels are another critical area. Low refrigerant often signals a leak in the system, which must be handled by a certified technician to comply with EPA regulations on handling refrigerants. For these advanced issues, use diagnostic tools like a multimeter to check electrical components, but always consult a professional for compressor or refrigerant problems to ensure safe and effective repairs. Preventing future startup problems is essential for reliable AC performance. Schedule annual tune-ups with an HVAC technician, focusing specifically on capacitor checks and general cleaning to catch issues early. Regularly clean or replace your AC's air filter to ensure proper airflow and prevent unnecessary strain on the system, which can lead to breakdowns. For coastal areas, consider applying protective coatings on wiring to prevent corrosion from salt air, a common environmental factor that can cause electrical failures. The future of AC repair is trending towards smart technology and AI-driven diagnostics. Carrier's Connected Home app provides virtual diagnostics, reducing repair calls. AI predicts startup problems preemptively. Experts predict a drop in manual fixes by 2028, driven by IoT advancements. Stay ahead by utilizing these technologies for proactive maintenance.